Please subscribe for more videos.
Here's a friendly hedgehog. But oh no, it's missing its spikes. Can you help me find the right ones to put them back? Where's number 1? There it is! Number 1. Where's number 2? There it is! Number 2. Where's number 3? Found you! Number 3. Where's number 4? There you are! Number 4. We need number 5. There it is! Number 5. Where's number 6? I found you! Number 6. Number 7, where are you? Gotcha! 7. Where's number 8? 8. 8. There's number 9. 9. And last but not least, number 10. Number 10. We found all the hedgehog spikes. Fantastic! Can you find the matching pairs? This is a tiger's head. Where's the tiger's tail? There it is. This is the tiger. Panda's head. And where's the panda's legs? Gotcha! This is the panda. One camel's head. And where's the camel's legs? There they are. Camel. Hello, baby. Here's a mummy hippo. Where's her baby? Hello, baby hippo. Here's a daddy lion. Where's his baby? Hello, baby lion cub. Here's a mummy cow. Where's her baby? Hello, baby calf. Here's a daddy rabbit. Where's his baby? Hello, baby rabbit. Hello, friendly baby. Can you see another baby? It's you, little baby. The end. Tiger, panda, camel.
Please subscribe for more videos.